Hello from Teenagers YouTube channel. This is Smack Josie. Today I want to show you my little setup and also tell you how to use your laptop, or sorry, your tablet or laptop as your second monitor. So basically right now you see we have a tablet right here. Okay, this is the tablet, and this is not very good as the tablet itself. Okay, pretty slow and not very powerful. So what to do? Well, you install an app called splashtop. Open this app. Okay, you have to set up the app in the Windows PC as well. Whoa, lots of stuff going on. Okay, so that's the streamer for the splashtop. What happened is it streamed your computer to the server, and the server is going to be connected to your device, and so you can click your computer name, and there it goes. Don't worry, guys, it's safe. Okay, you have to enter password and all that stuff to be able to get this to work. So no one is going to really see your computer and stuff like that. Okay, don't worry. Now you got a duplicate screen right here. Okay, so what you want to do is extend the screen so you can have both monitors working together. To do that, you press the Windows key plus P. Okay, now you see we have extended monitor right here. Extend. Okay, we will choose that. Extend. Oops. Okay, I just choose extend, but why this is not extending? Because there's a little switch right here that you need to press. Okay, you open the settings on the bottom, and there's a little icon where it says 1 or 2. Now, this is my wallpaper. I can drag the stuff over here. Okay, let me show you. This is the GearBest website. Drag over there. See? So you can actually use this as a monitor and this as a monitor. So what I'm doing right now, I'm using my main monitor to do my work, like typing documents, doing editing, and things like that. And then right there, I would have my email client like Thunderbird open, so I can always keep an eye on when email comes in, or read some emails, or maybe I'll open some movies over there just to kill some time, like that. And I can always go back and forth. And one more good thing is that when you use Microsoft Office or something like that right here, you can always drag it over to the other side, and you can use the touch screen on this thing. So this, you can use a stylus to draw stuff over your document and then put it back to your main screen. So that's something you cannot do with your main computer, right? Using your stylus. Now here you can use the stylus. Now if you have a better tablet, such as this one over here, this is the Chewy High 13 that I highly recommend. So if you have that one right there, it will work even better. Okay, it's faster with a faster Wi-Fi. I can also do that to the phone because it's just an Android app that you can open anywhere. So you can stream your screen to the phone, to the tablet, or anything, and basically that's how you use it as a secondary monitor. Okay, so that's the little trick. So go to Android or go to your Windows, whatever, go to Google, search splashtop. And when you search that thing up, basically you will be able to do it. It's very easy. Okay, no mysterious trick. Okay, so if you can't get it right, just do some Google and you'll be able to get it out. But yeah, at least now you know this is possible, right? And just a little bit over here, you can see my tablet always hooked up with the USB cable right there, and so power is always going inside, and that's it. Perfect. Don't forget I got a clock right there as well, reminding me what time it is all the time. So I love it. Okay, so that's it for today, and glad you came in and checked out this video. Check out the links below to check out the Chewy High 13, because this month I actually got a few of these sold, and it's really good. So people all like it when they get it. It's like a really amazing deal. So check that out, and we'll see you next time. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like. Bye bye.